Let's take this geometry problem in which we have to find out the value of z. So what is the value of z? So how can we calculate? Here we have these three angles, z by 6, z by 4, z by 3. So we can add up these three angles and they will be equal to 180 degree because they are forming the linear pair. So what is the answer here? Z by 6 plus z by 4 plus z by 3 is equal to 180 degree. Now take LCM. So LCM is 12 and in the numerator it is 9z is equal to 180 degree. So 9 2s are what, 18, and there we have 20 degree. So z is nothing but what, 12 2s are 24. So 240 degree.